Here at Electrocomponents, we're building a culture, empowering our people to bring their true self to work every day.
We stand together in support of mental health and our LGBTQ+ community.
我们一同肩并肩、手拉手，支持种族以及性别平等。
We stand together in support of the disabled community.
And above all, we stand beside
7,000
people working together across
32
different countries for one global organization.
营造包容的工作氛围，让我们毫无顾忌地在工作中展现真实的自己。
Und das tun wir, indem wir unsere Geschichten teilen.
No decirnos cómo pensar.
しかし、私たちに考えることを与えるために。
Nos histoires aident à définir qui nous sommes et ce pourquoi nous nous battons.
Aunque nuestras historias nos diferencian,
ci mostrano che tutti possiamo contribuire a fare la differenza.
But above all, our stories bring us all together across the globe because they remind us that there is a piece of every person inside of ourselves. Right?
Right.
Hi, my name is Phil.
My name is Carlo.
My name is Lindsay.
My name is Christina Houston, and I am building a culture where everyone feels safe to bring their true selves to work each day.
Today, I'm proud to say, my name is Emily Hamilton, and I'm proud to work for Electrocomponents, who are on a journey building a culture where everyone feels safe to come to work each day.